Do you think you found something that'll lead us to Zora Magdaros? Well, I sent some researchers out there now, but not with a piece of Puke Puke hanging
Uh huh.
around. Puke Puke territory that's pretty deep in the forest, well better equipped to take it on. Once our team from the resource center is done rebuilding the forest camp, once it's ready, we make our move.
Want to get going?
Until then, we do everything we can to help them get the camp up and running. Let's get to it. Okay, let's get
Once the
to it.
camp is set up, you can go after that puke puke.
Yeah, right.
I wonder
So,
where the
Hunter, have you
resource
gotten
center
used to how
is.
things work around here? Now, new world, new rules is something you have to get used to. But you will get used to it. You have to rely scouting on. Not to mention others as
Ha!
well. Look around you, everyone here is strange or crazy as they may seem. They've all crossed the sea just like you as they all carried out their duties. They looked the new world in the eye and realized the old ways of doing things wouldn't cut it. There's some of them though. For conviction, do you have conviction, Hunter? You should get to know your colleagues. Maybe some of that craziness will rub off on you, huh? Mm-hmm. We need to speak to the field team leader. I mean the operations
Oh,
manager.
you are too good to me.
Whoever is sure your colleagues help us rebuild the camp. That is excellent news. I hope you're as good as they say you are. If so, you'll have plenty of work for you. After all, the commission studies lots of things, not just the Elder Dragon you came here with. Maintaining and improving the base is full plate of task in itself. Can't study anything without proper HQ after all. The resource center here is in charge of divvying up all that work and making sure it gets done. So back to business. Your job is to establish the camp. Go on an expedition into the ancient forest, find a valuable campsite, and make sure it's safe. If any monsters have decided to do any camping in your spot, you'll need to chase them off.
Don't let me down.
Bounty of establishing camp. Alrighty. But we need to register bounties as well. Because why not? Need honey. This one. Play 16 small monsters. Ooh. Mushrooms. Finding out crops. Slay 8 small monsters. So in total of 16 years. This one is capture 1 large monster. This one. Alright.
Okay, let's get this expedition underway.
Yeah,
Meet
hold
me at the
on.
gate.
Hunter, since you've established yourself in as a reliable presence here, I'd like to make a little request. When investigating large monsters, you can either slay or capture them. Naturally, both have their scientific merits, but frankly, well, it would be better for long-term research to receive a live specimen that we can later return to the wild. So if you capture your quarry alive, you'll be commended for it and
You can
receive
embark
greater
on an
rewards
expedition just by
commissions.
heading out through the gate. Or you can use the world map.
How about you capture
Whatever's easiest
targets
for you.
instead of slaying them, and you'll be making a great contribution to our efforts here. Hmm, that would be a good idea, no? Captures monsters, have a lot of rewards, so it's really good.
Try
So,
hard, will
I've
you?
been placing bets and orders at you for the hunter who's going to bring back the goods. Don't let me down. So what is it? Alright. We need to eat first before we um go for an expedition. Because we need the damage boost and also health boost maybe if boss the boss no, okay, at least we have stamina and health. Nice. Some fish. Okay, let's go. Let's go for an expedition.
Right now, we're in Astera. If you want to go on an expedition, open your world map and choose your destination. For this expedition, we need to head to the ancient forest. We can expand expeditions as we delve further into the new world. Pretty good incentive to explore, right?
Yeah. Care about an expedition. Yeah.
Let's look for the campsite.
Like I always say, research is neat, but first we
If I get to
eat.
the campsite first,
You have
or
a
if you're
barbecue
lost,
spit handy.
open up your map or
Just
use your
grab some
scout
raw
flies to
meat
track
and
me.
golden brown. And raise your stamina level. Hit
Whenever you leave the base
mean
without signing up for a
remember
quest,
to keep
you'll
an
go
eye.
on an expedition. There's no
Stable.
time limit or cap on how many times you're allowed to faint, which means you can explore to your heart's content.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's speak to those people, or should I say NPCs? Na may exclamation mark.
Over here. Hello.
Oh, hello. I'm a researcher for the commission. My field is a Grimalkins. Yes, Grimalkins. Grimalkins are a type of lineage that are a native to the New World. I wish to communicate with them and learn their lingo, but these creaky old bones just can't keep up with the flighty little chaps. Perhaps you could be of help. By my gnarly knuckles, if you could chase after them, we track them down in the time it takes to say meow. Okay, what do you say? You'd be doing all my favor. Oh, yeah. I think we need to do these duels in order to get the tail rider progress.
Your wildlife map keeps track of where you are and where the scout flies are taking you. You can also use it to keep tabs on monsters.
Okay. Just follow this thing. The fireflies. Break address, okay. Gotchas. We're just
You
gonna
can
keep.
assign a target destination for your scout flies on the map.
Okay.
Howdy.
Howdy, Hunter. How's it looking? Gotta say, there's no better way to spend a day than fishing. I'm the lucky guy. The commission has put him in charge of studying fish and fish-like creatures here in the New World. Well, let me tell you, I love fishing. I love for it. I fish in my sleep. I sleep with them. I already got all the old world's fish, every last one. So when they offered me a job here, I accepted the hook, line, and sinker. Anywho, my life here can't be all work. So I've been looking for a chum. What the fuck? Who loves the lure as much as I do? What do you say, Hunter? Are you game? Holy shit, there's an Anjanaut. I'm just talking to the NPC and there's an Anjanaut. If you're interested, just give me a holler. I'd like to see what we're made of. Okay.
Hey, partner!
I just love me some good fishing.
So there's this here. Think you can catch me a pink barracudas in the forest. Let's see you do. You find them at the fishing spot as long as you've got the talent, but this shouldn't be too hard. A fish to reel in. Okay, let's escape here, man. We don't need to fight that. Let's just ignore that too, because we're gonna go ahead and craft.
You can fast travel back to camp simply by selecting it from the wildlife map. Now this is interesting. Let's report our findings to everyone at the resource center when we get back.
Yeah. Wait, what is this? Well, hi there. Fancy meeting someone you out here. I'm the editor in charge of Field Guide. It's my job to learn and disseminate as much as possible about the endemic life here. The endemic life here includes small animals, fish, basically anything that won't try to eat you. And I love them all to pieces. My research tasks are to capture, observe, study, verify, record, and play with any endemic life I find. I'm a busy bee. The new world is literally crawling with undiscovered specimen. I don't even know where to begin. I don't have enough
Oh,
hands.
yeah!
Enough hands? Oh yeah. What if you became my assistant? If you capture any endemic animals, you could even let them loose in your room. Oh, for some first-hand observation, who could say no? But don't answer just yet. Think it over and then come see me. If I promise, the little critters will bring you nothing but joy. Oh, you can play small creatures in your room? I didn't know that.
Over here!
Wait. So herb. Wait. There's also a. Wait. There's also a. This one. Traps. Okay, let's go up. Stop tracking this guy. Ah, may quest pa pala sa kanya. Anyways, let's go ulit. Oh, goody, you've already made up your mind to help me. I knew I'd have the right hunter for the job. To start things off, could you take a look around here and capture me a woodland Styx? They look sort of prehistoric birds, watching them glide effortlessly from tree to tree. The darlings are little bundles of joy and just more oh, observe these. Oh, capture one of them? Let's try. Wait, can I capture? I guess not. How do I capture that? Can I can I hit them? Smyrnus. Ah, that one. Wait. There you go. Bounty complete. Okay. Easy. Easy. Okay. Buluyaku.
Well,
I guess we're
if we
gonna
don't
chase
take care of that
Buluyaku.
pest, the camp won't last a night.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let me move, bitch. I need to target Buluyaku.
To return to base from an expedition, open the wildlife map and switch to the world map. Then select Astera.
We need this down part as well. Oh, what's this? The Anjanat as well. Yeah. With farm research points. Because we're rich. Okay. Just wait a moment.
Claw attached to the head will change the monster's course.
Nice, it's poison as well. Nice, we break its beak. Okay.
Never underestimate an angry monster. Keep your distance and watch for a safe opening.
I mean, he's dying already, no?
That's a thorn pod, a powerful type of slinger ammo. Attacking the part it's latched onto deals blunt damage.
Toadstool, nice. I'm just gonna gather some mushrooms so that we can finish the bounties. Okay, and that one as well. Grimy yuckies, large doodles. Much berry. Man, we're spamming. We just spam. Okay. It's recovered already. Okay, he's dying. Now we can chase. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. And Janet's footprints. I need one mushroom left. Doodles as well. Fuck. What is that?
Now's your chance. Hit it with all you've got.
Dragon Piercer. Boom. Noise. All crit. Nice. Okay. Let's just let's just let him. And we're gonna chase. Wait. Saan ba? Where? Ah, here. Okay. Oh. Flower fern. We need singer ammo. Okay. Drop it. Boom. Nice. Oh, let's kill this bitch.
Nice job hunting the Kuluyaku. Select
Dead.
Astera from the world map so we can go home.
It's dead.